Well, hi folks, here we are again. It's the 29th of January 2021. We're in the third lockdown. I'm going to take you back right now to last autumn when I took some footage of Oxford's finest buildings and colleges. Let's follow him. So when you think of buildings in Oxford, which one stands out for you? Most of you will see the Radcliffe Camera, which is true, it's one of the most photographed buildings in Oxford. But this one too, that's Tom Tower on the top there, designed by Christopher Wren. That entrance there would lead you out to the dining hall, which is where I used to work as a school kid on the head table many years ago. So you might be mistaken for thinking this was Merton Street, but it's not. This is St Aldate's, and here we have Pembroke College, right next to, just come over here a little bit, and there you can see, just behind that tree is Christ Church, and here we have St Aldate's Church. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, folks. It's been a while, hopefully not too much longer before we can send you another vlog. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.